The National Weather Service in Hastings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Phillips County in north-central Kansas, western Bucks County in north-central Kansas, until 12:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time at 11:31 a.m. Central Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Pelco, or 20 miles southeast of Hill City, and moving north at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Pelco, Zubert, Dammer, Webster State Park, Logan, Speed and Glade. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service in Hastings.